this is Miss 200K. Today I'm just releasing a quick psychology tip that helped me finesse money out of the market. So it's going to be a complete series, and I intend to help you with your patience, preventing fear of missing out on a trade, prevent you from jumping into trades with no plan, and to also help confirm your analysis. So it's very simple. The exercise is simply say to yourself before you enter every trade, ask yourself, am I really seeing what I think I am seeing? So like, for example, today on SPY. So right here we have we have candles going up above the VWAP. So rule of thumb is calls above, puts below. However, am I really seeing what I am seeing? I see green candles, but I also see resistance right here. So am I really seeing that we're going up or that we're going down? Same thing for right here. This is your morning low. Okay, everybody wants to jump in puts. Okay, am I seeing what I think I'm seeing? Am I seeing that we're about to break to the downside? And so one way of verifying that we know is to turn on our EMA. And so the EMA is going sideways. So we know that we do not enter a trade when it's going sideways. For right here, it could have been a nice scalp, but it was just very quick. So being that we have all this action here, it really was smart money getting into their positions. So I'm not going to go into a deep strategy behind this because I know I have people that only can last 2 minutes. So I'm going to check a couple more stocks and then I'll close the video. So my stock is RTY. And so this is what I watched this morning. I took a quick scalp here from the VWAP to here, and it was a quick 130 bucks. However, the rest of the day, it chopped around. It stayed within the supply and demand area. So by the time I was done at 12:30, 12:45, when I came back, I saw that we bounced once more from this area, and then it took off to the upside. Now, our entry would have been when it broke this level here, because all day we could not get above this level. So am I really seeing what I am seeing? Am I seeing a downtrend? Am I seeing a uptrend? Or am I seeing sideways actions? And that is all for this video. Let your girl know if you have any tips and tricks of your own to finesse money out the market.